마이리틀타이거.
Hi, how are you? Today, I will show you window art kit.
Pink.
Pink for ice cream.
Red. Wow, it's a circle. Jelly Belly eats a square. Wow, it's a square. Jelly Belly eats a triangle. Green.
Red and green for strawberry.
Blue. Jelly Belly eats a heart. White. Jelly Belly eats a star. Wow, it's a star. Jelly Belly eats a diamond.
I made a delicious ice cream for you.
Orange. Oh no! What shapes can you see? Come on! Circle, square, triangle. Yeah! Circle, square, triangle. Circle, square, triangle.
I'm gonna make a blue airplane. If you like flying to the sky, just get in.
This is a triangle. Triangle, heart, diamond, star. Yeah. Heart, diamond, star. Yeah. Heart, diamond, star.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beautiful butterflies on photo frame. Do you like it?
Can you find the star?
Fill the glitters around 6 butterflies.
Can you find a heart? Can you find a diamond? Can you find a star? Yes, I can. Jelly Belly.
Yay! I made it all myself.
Wow, it's a square. Wow, it's a square.
Jelly Belly eats a triangle.
Jelly Belly eats a triangle.
Wow, it's a triangle.
I put on blue airplane on the cup.
Jelly Belly eats a heart.
Jelly Belly eats a heart.
Wow, it's a heart.
Wow, it's a heart.
Jelly Belly eats a star.
Jelly Belly eats a star.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!
Wow, it's a star. Yes.
Jelly Belly eats a diamond.